too many niggas doing this. Ain't too many niggas doing this. On the rim, tucking. On the rim, tucking. You feel me? Welcome back, man. You see where we at, man. We out here at the BOK Center. Welcome back to the, let me do it over. Welcome back to the channel, man. Thank you for subscribing, man. I appreciate all the love, all the respect, you feel me? Man, like what we getting into today? Well, we over here got the Elko and the Malibu, you feel me? We over here, you know, we over here getting some work done. So right now I gotta get some, I have to get some, what is it, twerk converter. I'm gonna go bigger twerk converter on the Malibu so I can go ahead and get that done today. That's why we got her on the trailer today. I got him, her, driving her, G-body on G-body action. We hooked, ready to go, you feel me? Like, man, you see where we at, man. Oklahoma, downtown. Let's go, man. We lit today. Let's go, we see where we at. Yeah, man, let me let y'all see. They ain't overheat, nothing. Tucking. Overheat or nothing. We in there. But man, you hit that like and that subscribe button. Like I said, if y'all share my shit, man, listen. I'm doing a giveaway, man. When I hit that 1,000, man. So when I hit that 1,000, I'm giving away a motor or some money. So, man, come on, man. Let's go. Hit that like. Start commenting. Start sharing my shit. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Tag me in it. Let me know something. But you see where we at though, man. I'm loving this scenery right now. Downtown. I'm down. Y'all see it? Lovely downtown. I had to stop, man. I had to stop and talk to y'all. Let you know what we got going on for today. You know, and go ahead and get that converter done so I can drive him around or her around. I don't even know what I want to call it right now, but it's gonna be something. But that would be my everyday, or I'll be trying to drive that every day. You know what I mean? And things like that, back and forth to work or whatever. But yeah, man, put some slap in that bitch, man. It's gonna be nice. Put some foes in that motherfucker. Foes or deuces. But man, work the truck. Let's go, man. Like I said, thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. We on our way. Man. I like this motherfucker. Motherfucker really like it. Let's go find some parking. I gotta go to court right now. Court is like my life. Yeah, I just go to court all the time. I get pulled over a lot in this car. But damn near all the time I don't get tickets. This time it was some bullshit ass ticket. Dude said I was doing 40 in a 45. Mark down was 40. The speed limit was 45 on the, you know what I mean, on the street. He marked down 40. That's where you fucked up at, buddy. So I'm gonna beat that ticket. He fucked up, you know. And then he trying to estimate. He didn't have a radar or nothing. You can't guesstimate how fast I was going. I said, man, I was doing at least 50 miles an hour, man. The speed limit is 45 on that street. I know everybody know that street, so I don't even know where to park at. Building. Look at her. I just gotta find some parking, man. Ah, lady. Come on, man. We got this going on. Wait, we gotta find some parking though. What she got going on here? Not a damn thing. Yeah, we pulling today though. Man, y'all see it. Background. Y'all see the logo hidden run. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll hit y'all back in a minute, man. Come on, shit. I can't even go that way. I don't know which way to go. I'll find time to come down here with a trailer. Find time with a trailer. Oh shit. I'm up here at Tasto Customs. Picking up a car. You see it right there. Hit them car, take to the exhaust shop. Man, I'm trying to tell you, man, the Elko is, you know, he or she, I don't even know what to call her, he or she is an everyday vehicle. You feel me? That's right. That's right. That's right. Ooh-wee. Yeah, he be coming out with some heat out of his shop though, so stay tuned, stay tuned. You got it? Come on. Come on. Right there. All right. Locked and loaded. Locked and loaded. Going to the exhaust shop. All right, let me see your shirt real quick, Tim.
Change your customs.
You know, LS swap trucks, anything. That's where we at. In Broken Arrow, BA. But let's go, man. Let's go. On to the exhaust shop we go. Look at old sweet thing. She purling. She purling and tucking. Let me go ahead and get that real quick. All right, picture it is. All right, we here, man. Let's go. Welcome back, man. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, man. You see what's behind me, man. I'm over here pulling and tugging right now at work. You feel me? You know what I mean? Taking a day of my life a little bit, man, and you know, a little adventures what I be doing. You feel me? I just left Testro's Customs. They revving up on me right now. I hear them revving up on me right now. They revving up on me. But anyway, so maybe enjoying the day, man. Out here climbing a little bit in the El Camino, as you see. I never have a footage. I never really did footage in the El Camino. I don't think. You know, I don't think I did any kind of footage like this. So this is the first day. I know I got a long sleeve shirt on, but I'm trying not to get sunburn type shit. And be working in the damn. Oh, not about that. Thank you. Yeah, big truck driver. He gave me thumbs up. He said, good job. Hey, I get that all day. And I appreciate it. Real talk. They tell me that I'm doing something right. That's all that tells me. So, once again, thank you for the love, the support. You know what I mean? But, yeah, go. I don't got no weight behind me no more. Dropped off a Camaro to Mike's Mufflers. Hey, this motherfucker El Camino's a workhorse, boy. Boy, race car, street car, towing vehicle, nigga cruiser, shit, donuts, drifting. Oh man, this motherfucker is sports utility vehicle, nigga. This nigga all around it right here. Party in the back with a little pool back there, you feel me? Saying, pour that motherfucker up with some water, nigga, and chill. Hey, you do a lot with this motherfucker, man. Hey, man. I don't know, y'all sleeping on these Caminos. I'm enjoying it, though. I'm enjoying it. That's that Camaro right there. That motherfucking Camaro sound bomb. You hear it? That motherfucker sound good. That motherfucker sound good. That motherfucker sound good. That motherfucker sound good, bro. niggas, man, stop doing that. I'm like, man, all they gonna do is continue hating on you, man. Like, I gotta apply the pressure. That's all I'm doing, applying the pressure. I don't give a fuck what niggas think. I don't give a fuck what it is, nigga. I'm applying the pressure. Niggas ain't doing what I'm doing. What up, what up, what up, what up? Applying the pressure. I mean, whoever needs to step their game up, I'm applying the pressure. Hope this motivates y'all niggas that's sitting on the couch. That's all. Hope it motivates you get out and do what you need to do, get your own money. Stop waiting on the next nigga get his bag so you mooch off his shit. I just, you know, just trying to motivate motherfuckers, that's all. Uplift your shit, don't hate on me because I'm enjoying life and doing what I need to do. You feel me? This uplift your shit, man. This is uplift your game, brother. Whoever, sister, whoever, get your shit together. Get your shit together. Camino, let me know. Everything for sale besides the G-body and body. This right here for sale. This mother been proving itself. It's worth it. It's worth the money I'm asking. Niggas be so cheap, like, nah, man. Okay. Alright. All the headaches is already done, nigga. All the headaches is done. You don't have to worry about nothing besides get in and drive it, nigga. Like, y'all niggas is like, y'all niggas really cheap. You don't spend under 5 racks on a fucking LS swap, not including the car that you have to buy. You feel me? Y'all niggas don't be thinking like that. Like, oh man, I gotta go buy a car, or oh, I gotta go find me something. Like the car that you already have right now, you gotta understand, you already put money into it already. Like nigga, I already did all the headache for y'all niggas. Nigga, I went through all the trials and tribulations. What shop to go to, what shop not to go to, what shop to fuck with. Nigga, I did all my homework. That's why they don't like me, because I tell her how it is. There's some bullshit ass shops out here. Nigga, that's why they mad and hate on me. Because I tell her how it is. Like, nigga, it don't take that long to do this, nigga. We do an LS swap in damn near 4-5 days, nigga. The fuck? Nigga, it take 2 months to do an LS swap. Like, nigga, if you have all the parts, it take 4 days, 3 days. The coronavirus and you know what I mean, all the materials being late and shit. I get that, but before then, niggas was still doing that, taking that long. All you doing, man, like put your customer in and out, get them out. I'm just saying, bro. Like, if y'all interested, I'm gonna start having G-bodies and shit, already LS swap type shit. So place your orders, man. Like that's the thing. Fuck it. G-body, I find a donor, whatever 24s. I'll get some 4s for 52. No, it's probably less than that. Probably less than that. But I'm just saying, man. That's I don't know. Hold on, man. Got my weed. Yeah, less than that though, man. Like I said, y'all don't fuck with me. It's all good. You gotta understand. All the rims is coming from California. All the rims coming from Cali. So, chrome plated, whatever. I gotta go from Cali. You gotta go to Cali or coming from Cali, because you understand, Cali, like, it's one of the only states that produce chrome and stuff like that. That's why all the rim shops is in California. Real talk. So I'm just keep y'all on game a little bit. But I'm up here at Test 2. See where I'm at. Look at the boot. Look at the Malibu. LS swaps. LS swap right here. It's another LS swap. Mission is complete. Alright, it's another LS swap.
Another
truck. Y'all think we playing, man. We don't play no games. LS swap. LS swap. LS swap truck. Yeah, that's right. You right about that, Joe. Hell yeah, you gotta study and do your own homework. You goddamn right. You right about that, bro. But LS swap here. Fuel lines, everything. This should be started up, ready to go now, right?
Yep.
So we finna get a code start in a minute. Stay tuned. We here at the shop. This the owner. Say what's up.
What's up, guys?
If y'all need your LS swaps, trucks, whatever, hit them up. You see it. So that's where I've been at, working, helping them out, doing things. I got both of my cars here. I got one right there. Y'all be up and running. Don't worry about that, baby. We ain't see. I haven't put that back on anything, social media, nothing. It's just been chilling. Yeah, we on this though. Yeah, we finna go ahead and get that. Yeah, so we gonna start on her, him, her, whatever. This right here, you see it? Make sure you want LS swaps, whatever, man. You out here in BA, Broken Arrow. Hold on. LS swap, clean LS swap, clean LS swap. You been cruising this shit, clean LS swap. This ain't no junkyard bill, it's an LS swap. Well, it's a good LS swap. Yeah, with the AC. So it's an old school AC with the V8. You still the same brackets, the V8 brackets. They just we had cut it off right here. Y'all can see it. We had cut it off right here to make it fit. So you like how I know, because I helped them do it. God damn it. So this one right here, I believe is an LS swap. What's that truck y'all talk about? What's that truck y'all talk about? Yeah, this is another one, I believe. Hold on. I didn't do this one. No, it's a regular one. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I know I didn't do that one at all. Yeah, y'all see it? Bags, tags. All right, hold on. We finna go to the other shop real quick. Yeah, like I said, man, if y'all trying to get some rims and shit, I do have hooked up the weight right now. Yeah, I don't care where you go to. You go to 4G Ashanti. The wait is 4 to 6 months. We are trying to get those kind of rims. 4 to 6 months. We are trying to get those type of wheels. Alright, we got those. Ooh. Just saying, man. I'm just saying. I'll get y'all some wheels. Some 30s. That's some 30s. So I'm at underground, round zero. I'm at ground zero right now. They're doing this lift. You see it? This is the underground zero. Tell everybody what you do up here.
What's up, guys?
Well, he's here, you know, he do suspension work. He do everything. Tell him he do everything. So everything, suspension, lights, all that. So ground zero, huh? I know, right? I know, right?
Get up big like barbecue. That's right.
Huh? Yeah, man. So see, that's why they do. See, everything, everything. Let me show y'all this one. Y'all sleeping on this one though. They finna pull the motor out this one though. So this one right here, we was working on. Only thing we worked on is wiring harness. But we almost done with it. Yeah, this one big everything. He ain't tripping. Yes, sir. That's what they do. Oh, all right. So, you see what car that is? Hey, Jizzle. That's it. They do airbags. They do notches. Airbags and notches. Airbags and notches. Y'all see it? Airbags and notches. So, like I said, man, I'm just trying to put y'all on game who to fuck with, who not to fuck with. You feel me? These niggas, some lame ass niggas out here, they sit on their ass, ain't doing shit, man. They say they take this long. Nigga, don't take that long, nigga. If you a worker, nigga, you work. Nigga, get that shit good up. Oh, why prolong another motherfucking dream, knowing you can get it done faster than what you know you can get it done. Still gonna get paid the same. Get that shit done, man. Or don't take on the job. That's all it is. Don't take on the job. If you can't get it done in a timely fashion, don't take on the job. Don't never tell a customer, okay, I'll be done in 2 weeks and be done in 4 weeks. Well, it's not that type of shop. So, yeah.